Hi everyone, my name is Marco Giola Prestosa. In this video, I'll explain how to find all even numbers in an array and analyze its time and space complexity. Let's get started. Finding all even numbers in an array in terms time and space complexity. So, what is even number? An even number is any integer that is divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder. So, I have here an example of array. The array is 3, 6, 2, 7, 8. So in this array, the 3 is odd. So if it is x because we'll find an even number. So 6 is even, 2 is even, 8 is even. So the output is 6 to 8. So I have a code defined even numbers array. So So even numbers create an empty list to store even numbers. So for num in array, look through each number in the array. If num modulo 2 will equal 0, is check if the number is even. In the even numbers, append num, add it to the list. Return even numbers is to return the list of even numbers. And then the array 3, 6, 2, 7, 8. So we'll print and the output is 6 to 8. Because the tree is x. So the output is 6 to 8 because 6 is even, 2 is even, 8 is even. So the time complexity analysis, time complexity O of n, the algorithm iterates through the array once, checking each number. Since there are n numbers, the worst case time complexity is O of n. Space complexity. If we store the even numbers in a new list, the worst case, if all numbers are even, requires O of n space. If we print numbers directly without storing them, space complexity is O of 1. So that's all. That's how we find our even number in terms of time and space complexity. Thank you for watching.